Here we have the Parrot Anafi for the up challenge, the Airborne 500. Okay, start the timer out of the box. How long does it take to get it up in the air? We're going to find out. Okay, here's a caveat. It hasn't been out of the box in about a year. Okay, you have to charge the batteries up because the battery on the Parrot Anafi goes dormant after about a week. So you have to plug it into a charger to reboost the battery and charge it up. Okay, so I charged the battery about an hour ago. Okay, so let's go. Let's start this timer. Here we go. Now, this is a very nice case. I like the case. And I haven't had this out for a long time. Okay, and here's another case. Here's the controller and the connector. Put this case down. And here's the actual Parrot Anafi. Okay. We're just going to take it out of the case. Put it down there. It's down here. And I'm just taking my time because this is what you would do if you were out and about somewhere. Okay. Opened it up. Take the little cover off. Put that down. Okay, here we have it. So, we have it there like that. Okay. First off, we start the drone. One click. Open up the controller. The light comes on. And we wait for that to turn green, or to turn a dark blue, I believe. Now we have to turn these to get them started, because if you don't, they chip. So it's dark blue. So I'm just going to put this in here, like that. Put that up, like that. Plug my phone into here. When it turns blue like that, see if I can get this so I can touch it. There we go. And I have the screen record I'm going to start. But once it turns blue, you can plug in oh, maybe it's the other way around. Plug this in here. And plug it in here. I haven't done this for a long time, so excuse me if I'm a little rusty. The timing should be, there we go. So, there we are. It says flight to go. Push OK. And we're going to start the screen recorder. 3, 2, 1. And this is what you would do normally. You wouldn't be rushing anything. Let's go to fly. It says take off, but the GPS is orange. So I'm going to wait for the GPS to turn green. It did turn green. GPS. Okay. Let's see if that's what it is. Here we go. We're going to press the takeoff. My goodness. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. And it is hovering like a rock. It's amazing. So, we'll bring it down. Very good. Wow. That was fast. For me, that was fast. Okay? There you go. Parrot Anafi. Probably less than 3 minutes. Okay? I'll go through the timer and let you know. I'll have the UAV forecast up there. Pretty good. Pretty good. Go back and look at all the other ones. Is there a trend? I think so. Okay? Take care.